So partial fractions only works if the denominator can be factored, and I believe that it's going to work in this case. So we could factor this into, let's see, for 35 we could use 7 and 5, so plus a 5 and x plus a 7, and then just take a moment to make sure that that 12x is going to be the middle term, and it works. So this is what we're going to be integrating. First I'm going to do some algebra down here to find the partial fractions. So it would be 1 minus 2x over x plus 5 and x plus 7 can be rewritten as two fractions with x plus 5 as one denominator, x plus 7 as the other denominator. The numerator will be some numbers, a and b, let's say. And now multiply both sides by the least common denominator, which is this thing right here. So multiply by x plus 5, x plus 7. It takes a little bit of writing, but it pays off because a lot of stuff will cancel. So over here, the whole LCD cancels, leaving just the numerator 1 minus 2x. X plus 5 and x plus 5 will cancel, so we're left with a and an x plus 7. Over here, the x plus 7's cancel, and we've got b times x plus 5. Next, I'm going to substitute numbers for x. For example, in here I could substitute a negative 7, and it would get this whole term to cancel. So let x equal a negative 7. Over here we would get a positive 14 and a 1, so that's 15. A times 0, that's going to be gone, and then b, if you put a negative 7 in here, it's going to give us a negative 2. So then we would have the b is equal to 15 divided by a negative 2. Next, we need to find out what a is equal to, so get this one to cancel out by using a negative 5. Let x equal negative 5. In here, we would have a negative 5 times negative 2 is a 10, and 1 is 11. So if you substitute a negative 5 right here, we would end up with a 2 times a, and the b term is going to be cancelled. So a turns out to be 11 over 2. Alright, now we break up this integral into two easier ones. One is going to be a over x plus 5, and since a is a constant, I'm going to factor that out. 11 over 2, and then the denominator is x plus 5. Plus, for the other integral, it would be the b, which I'm going to factor out, is the 15 over negative 2. And then the denominator for that one, x plus 7. Alright, now we've taken this monstrosity of an integral, broken it into two very easy integrals, and then we've got the answer. The first one is 11 halves the natural log of x plus 5, and then minus 15 halves the natural log of x plus 7. Add a constant of integration at the end, and we've got our answer.